Surah Maryam begins with disjointed letters, highlighting the Quran's miraculous nature. It addresses themes like stories of prophets, miracles, and the stance of the people of the book. It also depicts scenes from the day of resurrection and emphasizes Allah's oneness, denying he has a son. The surah recounts the stories of prophets like Zechariah, Yahya, Isa, Maryam, Ibrahim, Musa, Harun, Ismail, Idris, Nuh, and Adam. It highlights miracles, such as the births of Yahya and Isa, under extraordinary circumstances, showcasing Allah's power. The surah illustrates differing beliefs of the people of the book and polytheists regarding prophets, especially Isa and Maryam. It depicts events of the day of resurrection, showing the fate of wrongdoers and the righteous, emphasizing Allah's oneness. The story of Zechariah and Yahya shows Allah's power, as Zechariah prays for offspring despite old age and his wife's barrenness. This affirms Allah's ability to do as he wills, proving he doesn't need a son to assist or inherit from him. The story of Maryam and Isa, with Maryam giving birth to Isa without a father, is a sign of Allah's power. It refutes the claim that Isa is Allah's son, confirming he is a created servant chosen for his message, rejecting attributing a son to Allah. The surah describes the gravity of claiming Allah has a son, stating it's a terrible thing that could cause the heavens, earth, and mountains to split. It emphasizes that everyone comes to Allah as a servant, and it's inappropriate for him to take a son. Through diverse stories and miracles, the surah reveals Allah's limitless power, like creating Yahya from elderly parents and Isa from a mother without a father. It includes references to Allah's subjugation of the universe, as seen in Ibrahim's story. The surah describes scenes of the Day of Judgment, gathering the righteous and driving criminals to hell. It reminds of accountability and recompense, presenting examples of disbelievers' consequences and believers' rewards, proving resurrection. The surah refutes Jews' statements about Maryam and Isa, highlighting Maryam's purity and Allah's selection of her. It clarifies Isa's reality as Allah's servant and messenger, born by a miracle, contrary to claims about him and his mother. The surah consoles Prophet Muhammad and believers, emphasizing trials as a tradition for messengers. It affirms the outcome for the righteous and patient, encouraging patience and steadfastness, emulating previous prophets' endurance. Main themes include Allah's oneness, prophethood, belief in the unseen, morals, and history. Surah Maryam addresses faith fundamentals, presenting them through a narrative style that reinforces faith, strengthens hearts, and consoles believers.